Video I'm gonna let you know what you can do when you've lost your national insurance number. So if you have lost your national insurance number on HMRC, then you have to follow the steps. First thing, go ahead and open up a browser, type in access.service.government or gov.uk/login, and then you could go ahead and log into your account, or from the home page itself you could just follow this prompt. So losing your national insurance number can be concerning, but there are several steps you can follow in order to get it back. Now, your national insurance number might be on the payslip and P60s or letter from the HMRC. You can check the paperwork you have from the past job or interact with the HMRC. Now, if you're unable to find it, then you can go ahead and contact the HMRC directly, and they may ask you some questions to confirm your identity, and they may be able to provide your national insurance number. And likewise, if you have an online account with HMRC, your national insurance number might be accessible there. You can log into your account and check in the listed, and HMRC might also send you a letter with the national insurance number on it if you requested. Then you can just contact them and ask for the written communication and all that. Now, although the national insurance card aren't typically issued anymore, you can still apply for the replacement if you need it. However, HMRC emphasizes that the number itself is what's important, not the card. So these are some of the common ways what you can do when you've actually lost your national insurance number. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.